come down here today to see a few new products. There's a couple of roof lights that are being sort of unveiled, but also a large sliding door set over here with really thin sort of 25mm sight lines and a good size kind of format panels, which is great, really kind of minimal thing, which is really good to see. And also over there, a kind of a large format bi-folding door system, which really is crucial because so often with bi-folding doors is the panels aren't big enough, so you end up staring at the window, not the view. And that's always been my issue with them, but when you start getting to a unit of that sort of size, actually again, it's about the view and not the window. So really exciting to see. Bi-folding doors are really kind of interesting in the role they play to transforming space in a home. I mean, everyone wants connection to outside. Inside, outside, you hear it all the time. But my issue traditionally has been a number of things about them. One is that often the panels have actually been quite narrow and the frame's quite thick. So really the view's been dominated by window. And that's not what the kind of effect that you're after. Actually, what we're seeing now with more modern bifolds in the way that they're manufactured, you can get much bigger panels, much thinner frame. So again, you are getting that connection to outside, sort of achieving the dream that you want. When you're spending big money on a window system, you know, a load of windows and doors, it's really important that you see them, that you kind of kick the tires, that you test run them, you open them, you really understand what you're getting. I mean, windows and doors are often one of the biggest ticket items on any build, right? And you wouldn't buy a car without at least sitting in it, would you? So the same thing with a window and door. Come down, open it, shut it, feel the quality, feel the locking mechanisms, feel the handles. It's a really important part of that purchasing decision process.